octopus, on, off, open, out, over, one, only, other, hour, old, orange. The thought of having a third child in our family is overwhelming. Oven, order, often, outfit, owner, outside, okay, odd, office, offer, ocean, object, option, ow, ox, or, ouch, overcome, overtake, outline, online, overtime, obey, organ, opera, origin, openly, overhead, outlook, output, outgrow, outrun, oversleep, overload, overwork, outside, outland, outplay, outsmart, outshine, outlast, oversee, overuse, overeat, outcry, overjoy, outlaw, outflow, outdoor, overcome, obvious, ordinary, orderly, observe, officer, online, outside, outline, overseas, operate, opener, opal, oxide, overly, outcast, outlet, overact, overdue, overpay, outrun, outset, outwit, oats, olive, opera, orbit, omen, opal, openers, ozone, overbid, oversaw, oversee, outworn, ongoing, overalls, outlook, outland, outward, outgoing, overcome, overtake, optimism, opinion, observer, original, official, operator, organize, overcome, overload, overrule, overwork, overtake, overrate, overhear, overplay, overkill, outshine, outsmart, outstrip, outscore, outmatch, outreach, outbreak, outcome, outclass, outgrown, outburst, overcome, overcome, obvious, observe, option, opinion, operate, origin, officer, orange, ordinary, official, outline, outside, outfit, outlet, owner, overseas, operate, object, October, onward, opaque, outcry, overuse, ongoing, overrate, output, overjoy, oppose, offer, ocean, order, open, other, hour, old, one, only, okay, or, out, off, on, odd. The thought of having a third child in our family is overwhelming. Ow, ox, obedient, obedience, oblige, obliged, obliging, oblique, oblong, obscure, observe, observer, obstacle, obstinate, obstruct, obtain, obtuse, occasion, occasional, occupy, occupation, occupant, occur, occurrence, oceanic, oceanside, octagon, October, octave, octet, oddly, oddness, odor, odorous, odyssey, offbeat, offend, offense, offensive, offerer, offering, offhand, office boy, officer, officially, offline, offset, offshore, often lie, oil field, oily, ointment, okayish, olden, oldest, oldish, olive wood, Olympic, Olympian, omnivore, omnibus, onboard, oncoming, oneness, one time, onward lie, opaque, open air, open book, opencast, opener, opening, openly, openness, operant, operative, operator, opinionated, opponent, opportune, opportunity, oppose, opposed, opposing, opposite, opposition, optical, optics, optimist, optimize, optioned, optional, oral, orangeade, orangery, orbiting, orchid, order, ordering, ordinate, ordinary, organism, organist, organization, organizer, orient, orientation, originated, originator, originality, originate, ornament, ornamental, ornery, orphan, orphanage, orthodox, osmosis, ostensible, otherness, otherwise, ouchie, outback, outbalance, outbid, outboard, outbound, outbreaks, outbuild, outburst, outcasted, outclassed, outcomes, outcrying, outdated, outdoor, outdoorsy, outer, outermost, outfield, outfight, outfitters, outfitting, outflank, outflowing, outfox, outgrow, outgrowth, outguard, outgun, outhouse, outing, outlasted, outlawed, outlay, outlet mull, outlineable, outlined, outliner, outleving, outlooked, outlying, outmaneuver, outmatch, outmoded, outnumber, outpace, outperform, outplay, outpost, outpour, outputted, outrace, outreach, outride, outrider, outtrigger, outright, outrow, outrun, outs, outsider, outsmarted, outsold, outspoken, outspread, outstaged, outstanding, outstation, outstay, outstretch, outstripped, outthink, outvoted, outwardly, outweigh, outwit, ovarian, ovary, overact, overaged, overall, overarch, overawed, overbalance, overbearing, overblown, overboard, overbooked, overcame, overcast, overchart, overcoat, overcome able, overcook, overcrowd, overdoing, overdraft, overdrawn, overdrive, overdue, overeat, overemphasize, overestimate, overexcited, overexpose, overflow, overfull, overgrow, overhand, overhand, overhaul, overhead, overhear, overheat, overjoyed, overkill, overlaid, overlap, overlapped, overlate, overload, overlook, overlord, overlying, overnight, overpaid, overpass, overpay, overplay, overpower, overpriced, overprint, overproduce, overrate,